Nau mai koutou, ko Johnny ahau. I am Johnny.
E Morena Winton School, ko Alia ahau. I am Alia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramiri, the 17th of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is norhor, which is te rero for sit, stay or live.
As in, kei te tepu na tamariki e norhor ana. The children are sitting at the table.
Ka pai, that's norhor, which is te rero for sit, stay or live.
Ka pai, on to health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS, do we need to say anything, koutou?
No, we don't. Wear them, people.
Okay, sausage sizzle, hot chocolate and cookie day. Remember to line up nicely, use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Steve Adams news. Year 7 and 8 basketball players, you have training today at the new basketball court.
School council news. Mr. Wadsworth is away, so put your feet up. Birthday news. None today at Winton School, but on Sunday, Olivia Wilson is turning the good luck 8.
And tomorrow, Georgia Marshall turns 8 and Emma Cubitt turns the lucky number 7.
Rā whānau, kia koutou. Happy birthday, people.
Have fun on your birthdays.
And that's for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news. Ka ki tera wiki. See you next week.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the grass, Winton School.